Right. Hope you can remember the last week we have discussed about basic cloud-based app, that is Sumo app. So we discussed about that last week, and also we have given some other example, that is Photofia for editing photos, as well as, so these are the other examples given by me. Sketch, Google Maps and Google Sheet, Google Forms. Hope you have just visited and searched what are these terms, what are these software, right? Okay, today I just want to start our new chapter because we have finished that last chapter. And what we are going to start today is about software, right? So I just want one of you guys just to remember what is software. Can you remember the term software? What do you mean by software? Can anyone remember software? Yes.
We can't touch.
It's not. We can't touch that. Yeah, that is one feature of software. It's not software, පුතේ. It's a feature එකක් නේද? It's only a feature. We can't touch it. For an example, you can see Word is running on my screen now, but I can't touch it. But අතින් අල්ලන්න බෑ. මම මේ mouse එක hardware එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි. That is the only way to touch this. But I can't touch this using my hand. So that is a feature. So anything else? Anything else? Anyone can remember the definition of the software? Dhanoli, can you remember the definition? Oh, don't look at the single explanation, then you will translate and tell it to me. Right, okay. Can you tell me the explanation, definition of software?
Sir, සමහර ඒවල touch screen laptops තියෙනවනේ.
Yes. Touch laptop means touch based laptop. Then also we can't touch the software නේ පුතේ. Touch කරන්න පුළුවන් screen එක නේද? Touch based laptop තිබ්බම screen එක touch කරන්න පුළුවන්. I agree with that. You can touch the screen. Screen is hardware නේ. Screen කියන්නේ monitor එක නැත්නම් තිරය. It's hardware. It's not software. But still you can't touch Word. You can touch the screen, right?
Sir,
Yes, Dhanoli.
data and information in the computer and various programs take under the category of software, right?
Yeah, various programs. That is true, but not various programs, actually interrelated programs we can call as a software. Okay, let's write the definition. So you can write the heading software. Under that, you can write the definition. So basically, intangible, that is true, you can't touch. Intangible. So you can write intangible. Instructions to the computer, intangible instructions to the computer, which instruct how to do a task and what to do, is called a computer program. Is called a computer program. Intangible instruction. Intangible instruction means you can't touch. Intangible instruction means you can't touch. Allanna bෑ. To the computer. Intangible instructions to the computer. Right? Intangible instructions to the computer. Intangible instructions කියන්නේ you can't touch that. To the computer, which instruct how to do a task and what to do. ඒක උපදෙස් දෙන්නේ මොකටද? It instruct how to do. කොහොමද දෙයක් කරන්නේ? ඒ වගේම මොනවාද කරන්නේ කියලා උපදෙසක් දෙනවා. That is called a computer program. That is called a computer program. Okay, intangible instructions to the computer, comma, which instruct how to do a task and what to do, is called a computer program. Ilan Shah, can you mute your microphone, Pute? It seems generating some noise.
Again.
I think Sophia. Yeah, Johan also. Okay, then, right, intangible instructions to the computer which instruct how to do a task or how to do a task and what to do is called a computer program. Is called a computer program. Okay, then you can say one or more programs. The next sentence, one or more related programs. One or more related programs performing a specific task. One or more related programs performing a specific task. We can ekineකට සම්බන්ධ program ගොඩක්. One or more related programs performing a specific task is called a software. Is called a software. So software එකක් කියන්නේ program එකක් හෝ ගොඩක්. හැබැයි it must be related. It must be related and working together. There are there are a few categories. There are a few categories of software programs. There are a few categories of software programs. Software programs categories කීපයක් තියෙනවා. The first one is called, write number 1, and over there, please write, there are a few categories of software programs, and the first one is called system software. System software. System software is a software. System software. System software means it's a software which manage or it works with the hardware. Directly working with the hardware. For an example, think like this. So in a remote controller, air condition remote controller එකක් ගත්තොත්, you can see there's a software. ඒ වගේම just take a software in a mobile phone, a camera software or software in a mobile phone. It controls the hardware. It controls the hardware. Software in a TV, it controls the way it can basically go through various programs, and it is connected to the antenna, and it is used to control the hardware. So system software, under that please write, system software means, okay, it is used, yes, it is used to control and communicate with hardware components. Hardware components. It is used to control and communicate with hardware components. So those are called system software. Can you give few examples? Can you give few examples to system software which controls hardware? Hardware control කරන software වලට උදාහරණ මට කියන්න.
Operating.
Yes, operating system. Operating system. What are the operating system types? Operating systems.
Windows.
Yes,
Windows. Red Hat. Ubuntu.
Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, then Ubuntu, Red Hat, Linux type of operating system, Mac OS, and not only that, Android in mobile phones, Android. All these are operating systems. You can write the examples one by one. Windows 10, right? Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7.
Program
Ubuntu කියලා එකක් තමයි.
means Windows Pro.
Sorry.
Windows Pro means
Windows Pro.
yes sir.
Windows Pro කියලා එකක් නෑ පුතේ. Windows 10 Professional Edition කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඒක කෙටි කරලා Windows Pro කියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay?
Sir, Google එකේ search කරා Windows 21.
Windows 21.
Oh, 21, sir.
21 sir.
Windows 10.
Windows 10. Right, okay. Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. Ubuntu is Linux, right? Ubuntu, UBUNTU. Red Hat. Red Hat කියන්නේ රතු තොප්පියක් කියන Red Hat කියන්නේ එහෙම එකක් නෙවෙයි. Red Hat means operating system. Mac OS. I'm using Mac OS. මගේ computer එකේ මම use කරන්නේ Mac OS එක. Then Android. Android කොහෙද use වෙන්නේ? Android in mobile phones. Android in mobile phones. iOS is also used in mobile phones. iOS. Those are the operating systems. What else other than the operating systems? You have, sorry?
Programming.
Yes, programming tools or programming languages. Also example for system software. Programming languages and translators.
The programming languages are Java, Python.
Oh, Java, Python like languages and their translators. Right, there is another example. The first example is operating system. We wrote few examples under that. The example එකකට example අපි ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. right? Operating system වලට example තමයි Windows 10, 8, 7, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Mac OS, Android, iOS. Then the second one, programming languages and translators. Third one.
Device.
Yeah, device drivers. Device drivers. What are the device drivers? Drivers can you call? In the car, if you have a car or if you have a van, you need a driver to go from one location to another location. The driver කෙනෙක් නැතුව car එකක් යන්න බෑනේ. යන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා තියෙනවා. Driverless car. But still not in Sri Lanka, right? Still not in Sri Lanka, no. Driverless car හිටි ගමන් යනවා brake නැතුව එහෙම නැතුව ගියාම තමයි driverless වෙන්නේ. Right? ඒ ඇරෙන්න. So normally car has a driver, van has a driver, truck has a driver, lorry has a driver. Similar to that, your pen drive has a driver, memory card has a driver, monitor has a driver, printer has a driver. But that is a software, right? That is system software. ඔය drive එක නැති වෙනකොට තමයි සමහරට ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ print එක connect කරා හැබැයි print එක පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. pen එක ගැහුවා pen එක පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. memory card එකක් දැම්ම පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. It's not showing. Basically issue of driver, because memory card cannot be driven to the computer. That's why it's not shown. Okay, then system software examples. Operating systems, correct. Programming languages, translators, device drivers, and maybe software like antivirus. Antivirus. You don't have Uncle virus, right? You have only antivirus. What is antivirus? What is a virus? What is a virus?
It's a type of malware which is causing damage to the computer.
Yes, it is a type of software. It is type of malware. Malware means a software. The malicious software means it's a harmful software, right? It's a type of harmful software which is damaging our computer. That is a virus. But antivirus is the preventer, right? Antivirus is the policeman. Virus is the robber. It's like robber. But antivirus is, that is the policeman, right? It protects us from those robberies.
Antivirus example.
Antivirus example, you can say Avira is an antivirus. Avira is an antivirus. AVG is an antivirus. Then Kaspersky is an antivirus.
The Trojan horse.
Trojan horse is a virus, right? Kaspersky is an antivirus. And
Avatar. Umbrella picture.
yeah, umbrella. There are more, right? Defender is a Jeep, but here it's a antivirus, right? It's an antivirus.
Avatars.
Yeah, Avast, correct. Avast is a antivirus. So if you need example, you can write over there. Right, those are called system software. System software means these are working with hardware, right? These are always working with hardware. For an example, how we save a file? We use this save button, file save. That is in operating system. Button, actually this is saved to your hard disk. You can't directly save to your hard disk, no. Then what hard disk එක open කරලා ඒක දිගෑරලා ඉවර වෙලා pan එකකින් hard එකේ ලියලා save කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? එහෙම නැත්නම් can you like if you have a pen drive එකක් තියෙනවා. pen drive එක දැන් කෑලි වලට ගලවලා pan එකකින් pen drive එකේ ලියලා save කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? It's not possible. But this system software help us saving a file into the system software help us saving the file into a pen drive or hard disk or DVD or CD. It's possible to save, right? So, but if you have a file, you can't directly put it to a DVD. Then one of the file එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා එක DVD එකකට එකපාර දාන්න බෑ. You need operating system to do that. Okay, so then, so second category is called application software. Okay, write down the second one, application software. The first category is system software. The second category is application software.
Wait, sir.
Sorry?
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay. So there are two main categories. Under grade 6, we will learn two categories, right? The first category is system software, which works with the hardware. The second category is application software, which works with, yes, users. So under that, please write, it is used to do various user related, it is used to do various user related activities. It is used to do various user related activities. Users lata related activities karanna thama danne. So what are the user related activities? What do you do with the computer? Okay, I'll ask from Devdisi. Devdisi, what do you do with the computer today? What are the things that you do with your computer? I cannot see. Okay, Dilansa, what are the activities you do with your computer regularly? Dilansa? ඔයා මොනවාද වගේ computer එකේ නිතර කරන්නේ? Yes, what are the activities you do with your computer regularly? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what are the activities you do with your computer, Pute?
That means making PowerPoint presentations.
Making PowerPoint presentation. Sophia, any activities you do? I saw that you have done like nice, you were writing nice, like animated stories using Junior Stretch. So you have sent it to me. That's nice, right? Tisal, මොනවද ඔයා කරන්නේ ඔයාගේ computer එකේ? What are the things that you do in your computer? Tisal?
Picture drawing.
Drawing pictures, right? Okay. Then Venita? Games, right? Okay, good, right? So what do you do? Look, photos, right? Okay, so all these things can be, okay, all these things you are playing games also, right? Okay, all these things are applications, right? You can write examples, right? Examples, the first one, applications of the first one, I'll write playing games. Playing games. Yes, that is. So you can write any name of applications of the examples, right? So playing games, you use computer games. Playing games using computer games. That is an application. Yes.
So I making games and
Or you make games. That's great. Right? Creating games. Creating games. Okay. Creating games. Writing interactive stories. Right? You can write many. Writing interactive stories.
PowerPoint presentations.
Yes. Creating presentations. Create.
I
Drawing
games
pictures.
Sorry.
Drawing pictures.
Drawing pictures. Okay. Write down the example. Drawing pictures. So with the software, right? So creating presentations, what you can use? Microsoft PowerPoint.
Google Slides.
Google Slides. Okay, good. Great. So please write with the examples, right? Playing games. Okay, I think you can see. Right? Playing games using computer games. Creating games.
Microsoft Word.
Sorry?
Microsoft Word.
Microsoft Word, yes. Drawing pictures. Drawing pictures, you can use MS Paint, Tux Paint. Right? So then the editing photos or viewing photos. Viewing photo is also okay, right? Look.
Sumo Paint is also.
Sorry?
Sumo Paint.
Hmm?
Sumo Paint.
Zoom Paint also. Yes, viewing photos, photo viewer.
So I creating games with Scratch.
Scratch. Right, okay. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly take down, right? Don't take much time, quickly take down there. Okay, viewing photos. Okay.
Excuse
In pictures.
me, sir. Can you put to the beginning?
You want to take a screenshot?
No, sir. I need.
Okay, so take a screenshot and then write away. Otherwise, it will take more time. Here, we started from this. Just take a screenshot and then write. Okay, quickly take a screenshot.
Sir,
Yes.
how we take a screenshot from a laptop or
You
a
can use snipping
computer?
tool. Snipping tool කියලා එකක් තියෙන. ඒක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Snipping tool.
Also, we can use.
So we can Windows key and Shift S.
Windows Shift S to take a screenshot.
So drawing pictures we can use draw.io.
So not clear. Can you repeat?
So pictures are the draw.io කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ sir. Draw.io.
Draw.io. Sketch.io, no? Sketch.io. Right, that can be used, yes. Right, okay. Now let's go to this one, right? Application software. Right, photo viewer and editing photos. Editing photos.
Excuse me, sir.
Editing photos you can use Photoshop.
Adobe Photoshop,
Photopia. And
Videos.
editing videos.
Wondershare Filmora.
Wondershare Filmora. Want to share? Filmora.
I don't know that.
Adobe Premiere Pro.
Premiere. Adobe Premiere. Then Movie Maker. Movie Maker. Is another example. Yes?
Exacorder.
Yes. Extra recorder. Then editing audio. Editing.
Recorder.
Cubase,
Audacity.
Cubase. Audacity. Yes, Audacity.
Cubase, Reason, Fruity Loops.
Reason. Fruity Loops or FL Studio. So these are the possibilities. Please write down those, right? Let's explore one by one after that. Let's explore one by one. First, you write down this. Okay, can you go to Google and search for this term, right? Go to Google and search Audacity. Audacity. Yes, go to Google and search Audacity. Type Audacity and search. Then you can see Audacity download.
So I
Yeah,
have
you-
Audacity.
If you have Audacity, it's okay. If you don't have, you can download. I think most of you are not having that, so you can download. Here, click the link Audacity for Windows. Please click on the download link. And then it will go to this site, right? So you can download Audacity 3.3.0 installer. Just click on that and it will start downloading. Right? Then click on this, right? Audacity Windows 6. Then it will start downloading. One file is enough. Don't download 2 times. So it will downloading, right? So then it should start downloading. So only 11 megabytes, right?
So, එක error archive කියලා එකක්.
නෑ මේක ක්ලික් කරන්න පුතේ. මේ Audacity Windows 6 කියන එක ක්ලික් කරන්න පල්ලයට එතකොට download වෙනවා පේනවා. Audacity Win 3.0.0 zip කියලා download වෙන්න පටන් ගනී. Have you downloaded?
Sir, it's downloading as a file.
Yeah, it's downloading as a file. Good. So if you have difficulty, please let me know. Then I'll let you share your screen, right? මොන හරි අවුලක් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. then ඕගොල්ලන්ට දෙන්න ඊට පස්සේ screen share කරන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Dilan sir.
Can you tell what we need to search it?
So initially you had to search like Audacity. So I think you missed the steps. So do it from the beginning. Go right in the Google. You have to search Audacity. Right. Go to Google. Search Audacity. Right. Then click on the download. Please see this now. Right. මතක තියාගෙන ඉන්න වෙන දේවල් කරන්න එපා. ඉස්සලා බලාගෙන ඉන්න. Click on download. Hurry. After click on download Audacity for Windows, click on this link Audacity for Windows. Then you will get this one, and there you click Audacity 3.0.0 installer. Click on that as well. Then you will get this one. Under that, please click on Audacity's Windows zip file. So that will download the zip file. Right, after downloading, after finishing, you can just double click on the zip file after finishing and it will open the installer folder, zip folder, right? So I'll wait for the download.